I want you to look at your wrist. Under your skin, your blood is flowing. To you, it is just red liquid. But to a biologist, your blood is a history book, and it tells a violent story. Humans have different blood types, A, B, AB, and O. We take this for granted. But biologically, it is weird. If you take blood from a type A person and inject it into a type B person, the type B person will die. Their immune system will treat the new blood like a deadly invasion. It will clot. It will shut down the kidneys. It is lethal. Why would evolution do this? Why would nature make us incompatible with our own species? The answer is disease. For 100,000 years, humans have been fighting a war against invisible monsters, viruses, bacteria, and parasites. Blood types are essentially passwords on the surface of your red blood cells. Type A cells have A antigens, sugars, on the surface. Type B cells have B antigens. Type O has none. It turns out that certain diseases are really good at hacking certain passwords. Take malaria. Malaria is a parasite that latches onto red blood cells. Scientists discovered that the malaria parasite finds it very easy to latch onto type A blood cells. It grips them tight. But type O blood cells, they are slippery. The parasite has a harder time attaching. This means that people with type O blood have a survival advantage against malaria. And guess what? In Africa and South America, where malaria is most common, the vast majority of the indigenous population is type O. The people with type A died out. The people with type O survived. Your blood type is not random. It is a scar left over from a plague that killed your ancestors' neighbors. But if type O is so good against malaria, why does type A or type B still exist? Why aren't we all type O? Because nature loves a trade-off. While type O protects you from malaria, it makes you weak against other things. For example, the plague, Yersinia pestis, or cholera. Studies suggest that people with type O blood are more vulnerable to severe cholera and bubonic plague. Meanwhile, people with type A or type B had better resistance against those bacteria. In Europe, where the plague ravaged the population for centuries, type A is very common. It is a game of rock, paper, scissors. Type O beats malaria. The plague beats type O. Type A beats the plague. Smallpox beats type A. This evolutionary war explains the distribution of blood types across the globe. It also explains why Native Americans were hit so hard by European diseases. Before 1492, the Americas didn't have smallpox or measles. The population was almost entirely type O because they needed to fight local parasites. When Europeans arrived carrying smallpox, the type O immune system didn't have the right password defense. It was a genetic massacre. And then there is the RH factor, the positive or negative at the end of your blood type. This is even stranger. If a RH negative mother is pregnant with a RH positive baby, her body will actually try to attack the baby. It treats the fetus as a foreign invader. Before modern medicine, the Rogam shot, this caused thousands of miscarriages. Why would evolution keep a gene that kills babies? We still don't fully know. Some theories suggest Rh negative blood made people resistant to a parasite called toxoplasmosis from cats. Your blood is a biological shield. It has been shaped by millions of deaths. You are alive today because your ancestors had the right blood type to survive the specific plague that hit their village 5,000 years ago. You are the walking, breathing winner of the ultimate survival game. I am your host. Check your type. Subscribe.